A bronze computer, lost for 2 millennia, redefines ancient Greek brilliance. It tracked the stars with an accuracy modern minds could not replicate for centuries. This is the Antikythera Mechanism. The Hellenistic Age. A period of immense intellectual ferment and vast empires. Alexandria, Rhodes, and Pergamon were beacons of learning. Philosophers and scientists pushed the boundaries of human knowledge. Astronomy, mathematics, and engineering flourished. This was a civilization at its zenith, creating wonders that would shape the future. Divers exploring a Roman shipwreck off the coast of Antikythera in 1901 stumbled upon something extraordinary. Not gold, but a lump of corroded bronze. This lump, when painstakingly cleaned and studied, revealed an intricate clockwork. 137 gears, precisely cut and arranged, formed a sophisticated astronomical calculator. It could predict eclipses, track planetary movements, and even mark the timing of the Olympic Games. This device, dating back to the 2nd century before Christ, was an astonishing leap forward. It suggests a scientific lineage, a school of thought in advanced mechanics, that has no parallel in recorded history. Imagine a world where such technology continued to evolve. What further marvels might have been conceived? The mechanism's complexity points to masters of engineering, perhaps astronomers or priests, who possessed a deep understanding of the cosmos. The Roman conquest of Greece marked a turning point. The vibrant intellectual centers began to wane. The sophisticated knowledge embodied by the Antikythera mechanism was not systematically preserved. Perhaps it was deemed too esoteric, too costly to replicate, or simply lost in the turmoil of shifting empires. The knowledge vanished like a whisper on the wind. Though its creators are gone, the Antikythera mechanism whispers of a forgotten brilliance. It reminds us that technological progress is not always linear. It challenges our perception of ancient capabilities. Its rediscovery fuels our fascination with what else might be hidden. What other ancient supercomputers lie buried, waiting to rewrite our understanding of the past?